Good morning. I'm Faye Thompson. We're going to have 16 ounces package of carrots. I just went to the market and bought mine. This seemed like a real good size. I have taken my 16 ounces of carrots and covered them with water. And now I'm going to put the other ingredients in. 1 cup of white sugar, 1 cup of light brown sugar. We're going to put 1 stick of butter in here. This is a very easy recipe too. It's not hard to do. So I'm going to put this on the stove. I'm going to bring this to a boil, and I'm going to cook it for about 20 or 30 minutes with a top on it. I'll put a lid on it. And that's all there is to it. And you'll have some good carrots. Carrots are come to a boil now, and we're going to put a top on it and let this set somewhere between 20 and 30 minutes. We'll come back and check it in about 20 minutes. Our carrots are finished now. They're very tender. I think you'll really like this if you try it. It's a sweet dish, but it's really good. It'll go along with your other vegetables. And I hope you try this recipe and enjoy it much as my family does. And we'll see you on another video. Thank you.